Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shauna for those of you who are new here, and this channel is all about homeschool and motherhood and encouragement in those two areas. So if you like that kind of content, I hope that you would go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. But today we are going to be going over some easy, healthy-ish lunch ideas for your homeschool. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get to it. So let's get on to what we are going to be making. I am going to actually be food prepping their breakfast and lunches. So we are going to be making French toast, blueberry muffins, pumpkin bread, and then for their lunches we are going to be making some Italian sandwiches, which is basically just pepperoni and salami, and some mini pizzas. Now, the only thing that I'm going to be making but not showing in this video is a picadillo taco mix. I just forgot to thaw the meat, so I won't get a chance to cook it today. But if you guys are interested, that recipe is found in the Cook Once, Eat All Week cookbook. My daughter loves those tacos. It's very simple to make. And basically, when I get to that, which is probably going to be later on in the week, I will, when I go to freeze it, I will just portion it out into sandwich bags and then throw all of those into a freezer bag. And then when they go to heat them up, we'll just run it under some cold water so it doesn't stick to the bag. We'll throw it in the microwave or in the pot to heat up, and then they'll put it in the tortillas. So I do not food prep everything that they eat. We do occasionally do some chicken nuggets because, you know, they're kids, they love chicken nuggets. And then my kids are also gluten-free, so we do some gluten-free corn dogs. It's okay, you guys, to not cook everything for your children. I mean, we make breakfast, lunch, dinner. Like, it's okay for one of those things to be easy for you. So I hope that this video can help you. Let's get into cooking. Alright, you guys, so here I am getting out the bread to make my kids sandwiches and mini frozen pizzas. You can do this on sandwich bread or even little English muffins. I like to pre-make a large batch just to throw in the freezer, and then I can pull it out. For the sandwiches, I heat them up for 30 seconds, and they come out pretty good. Now I am putting on the pizza sauce, and once all of the pizza sauce is on, I throw on some pepperonis and then add in the cheese. And for the pizzas, you usually just have to heat them up for about a minute, and they're perfectly fine for lunch after that. Once I get everything prepped and the pepperoni sauce and cheese is all on the pizza, I have two different ways that I do this. I either put them in the microwave and just let the cheese get melted, because sometimes my son likes his pizzas like really soft, or times like this I will put it on our tray and pop it in the air fryer and basically like just bake it for like 5 minutes until it's kind of crisp and the cheese is melted. And then I put it in the parchment paper and throw it into a freezer bag. I let it cool down completely, otherwise you'll get soggy pizzas, and nobody really likes that. Starting the French toast. I honestly, I had no rhyme or reason to this. I just add the eggs and milk, and I season it with enough cinnamon that, you know, I season the cinnamon with my heart, just like I do with garlic. And then I mixed it all up and just threw it on our griddle until it was all cooked, and then I'm putting it on the plate. I'm gonna let it cool down because, again, you know, you don't want to throw it in the freezer while it's still hot, otherwise it'll just get soggy and kind of gross, and then there was no point to prepping everything. If you are gluten-free, we have found that the King Arthur muffin mix is really, really good. My kids actually really love that. Sometimes they're really picky on things like this, but this is a mix that they both really like, and we are able to add in whatever mix-ins you want. Like, they don't just have like a specific blueberry muffin mix or banana muffin mix, so you can add in whatever you like. I also like to buy these little sausage packs, so they can just pair that with their muffins. My kids can easily just throw that into the microwave and make it themselves. So like if I had a hard night with the baby and I'm not up yet, then they can make their own breakfast, and it helps them to feel independent, and I don't have to worry about anything starting on fire. For the pumpkin bread, I am using Simple Mills. That is also another gluten-free brand that my kids actually really like. I was going to make this as muffins, but we just didn't have enough muffin paper, so I made it into a loaf, which my son really enjoys. And that is it. All right, everybody, that is it. It took a few hours, but everything is done. I'm gonna throw it in the freezer. I am so excited that we were able to get their breakfasts and their lunches made for the entire month. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys serve for lunches? Do you cook every day? Do you meal plan like this and freeze stuff? Let me know. Let's bounce ideas off of each other. I hope that you were able to get some great ideas from this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and I will see you again later. Bye.